Alright lads, today I'll be showing you my final part for my fireworks stash 2016. Just a few bits and bobs that I've bought the past few days. Finally got one. Said I was going to get one. Finally got one. This will be starting off my display. It's a nice crackling silver effect mine into titanium salutes, I think. I'm not too sure. I think that's what it is. Amazing that. Only £14. Proton bomb extreme. Always wanted one of these. Finally getting one. We'll be setting off our fireworks tonight for Bonfire night. Usually do it on a Friday anyway. So I hope you have a good Bonfire night as well, if you celebrate it Friday or Saturday. Got this for kids, this one for kids. They were only a tenner, so I thought I'll get it. And then, let me just stand up. I'll show you the rest of my fireworks stash quick. You've already seen all these. Oops. Just getting everything ready for tonight. And then my main finale fireworks. 2 skybreakers, 1 vendetta and 1 dum bum. Absolute smashing. And then obviously you got the Roman candles as well. But yeah, that's it guys. I might make another video if I get any fireworks. So yeah, peace.